Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at the euro dollar. This golden line back here, that's the open, the Asian open. This line here is where I'm thinking the London market's going to kick off. We're trading down into the London Open, and I've seen this so many times where it'll trade into the London Open in a certain direction. Okay, it could be either bullish or bearish. And then what we'll find is when London kicks off, potentially we could see this rotate. Now it kind of makes sense given we have, see these lighter shaded zones or areas on the chart here. This is our accumulation distribution level that we've got on the indicators, telling us that there's most likely going to be a support here. Okay, this is overextended, so we have our overextended signal. We had a breakout signal here giving us this break. Generally we're looking for an opportunity to go in the direction of the signal when we get a pullback into the mean, and that to me would be, if we get a pullback up into these levels here. So we can see resistance, I should say, here and here. These are accumulation and distribution zones, so we've pulled these back from these ranges prior, okay, and we project them across. This is my version of a volume profile, except this one will actually go back further than the standard volume profile, which is limited to the range on the chart. Okay, so pulling this data back from previous levels. Don't want to ramble on too much, but what I'm seeing here is an opportunity to short this, but not right now. Pulling a fib, I would say that coincides nicely with the resistance on the chart. We've got this thin leg that we've traded down here. Okay, thin leg, we get a pullback up into liquidity in here somewhere, and I think I'd be looking to short this if we get a move back up into preferably these levels here. Alright, so London market opens, let's see this thing rotate, and then we look for the short, mainly because it's bearish on the higher time frame. Have a look on the 4-hour chart. Let's clear everything. Okay, so we're trading into London pretty well. So we've traded down through this gap. Okay, we've got support down here, and possibly we see a bit of a pullback, and I reckon continuation to the downside. So that's my take on the euro dollar. That's about it, guys. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you've gained anything from the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and click the links below. Visit my website. Jump on board with us. We have a Telegram channel. With that, take care, safe trading, see you in the next video.
You'll find what you've got.